a day. B for banana and bear at play. C for charity, to help and share. C for carrot and cat with soft hair. D for dua, we ask and we pray. D for dates and duck in the bay. E for aid, a day of treat. E for eggplant, an elephant we meet. F for fajr, when the sun is new. F for fig and fish in the blue. G for grateful for all that is good. G for grapes and dot in the wood. H for hajj, around the Kaaba we go. H for honeydew and horse fast, not slow. I for iman, that makes us bright. I for ice apple, an iguana in sight. J for Jannah, where we want to stay. J for jackfruit and jellyfish at play. K for kindness, show it with a smile. K for kiwi and kangaroo for a mile. L for la ilaha illallah, our holy song. L for lemon and lion, brave and strong. M for masjid, where we bow and pray. M for mango and monkey all day. N for nia, to keep our hearts true. N for nectarine and nightingale too. O for obey, our parents so dear. O for orange and L we can hear. P for prophets who brought us the light. P for potato and pearl so bright. Q for Quran, the book of the Lord. Q for quince and quail on the board. R for Ramadan, the month of the fast. R for radish and rabbit running past. S for sajda, on the floor we bow. S for strawberry and sheep saying moo. No. Ba. Now. T for tasbih, praising his name. T for tomato and tiger with the mane. U for ummah, one family so grand. U for ugly fruit and Uriel in the sand. V for virtue, being kind as we should. V for vine leaves and vulture in the wood. W for wudu, with water so pure. W for watermelon and whale